Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can actually make money as a student from anywhere. So this method I'm about to show you works 100% and it works everywhere from anywhere. So this method I'm about to show you it's going to allow you to earn up to 5,000 US dollars a month. I know it sounds to be too good to be true, but hear me out. Let me explain more on how this works. So the first step you have to do is search up Studypool. Okay, so Studypool is a very popular website in other countries, and other countries do make use of it. But in case you did not know about it, like this is where you can actually find any document you're looking for regarding your school stuff. Okay, so in today's video, we're going to focus on the earning money part. So what you have to do is visit studypool.com/sale_dogs. Okay, then from here you're going to see that you can actually earn money by selling study documents. So you can sell any of your study documents by uploading here, and you are told that you can earn up to 5,000 US dollars a month. And what happens is that they share your documents with tens of millions of students, and you get up to $10 every time a student views one, and they accept all the documents in all languages, which is good. Okay, so all you have to do is simply click on start selling documents over here. But before I do that, let me scroll down. So here's how it works. The first step is upload the document either in a zip file. Okay, so documents can be like an exam, a quiz prep, zip files, anything, as long as it's educational content. Okay, and then the system will review and approve uploaded documents for quality. Then those documents are going to be viewed by tens of millions of students who search and have access to the document, and then you earn up to $10 every time a student views your document. So another way of boosting your income, like try uploading on something that people really search for. Yeah, like if there's something you really understand, like, or you've got something, this one is going to help you. Okay, and let me just try to show you some recent top selling documents. So for example, this one called Algebra Integrals Integration Notes, and as you can see, it's about 9 pages. And on my right bar, you can see the top earners is Alan Mitch with $83,000. This is really good. So let me try to read this. I don't know if I can read this for free. Okay, because I have not yet logged in. Okay, so for me to read this, I have to sign up. So then I'm not able to see these pages. Okay, but otherwise it does really work. This is really a big company. You just have to trust it. So once you click on this, you will be requested to create an account, verify your email, then you'll be able to upload and make money from it. So from here you should be able to manage everything on your own. So this is it about today's video. If you learned something from it, give it a like. For more videos like this, go on and subscribe. Bye for now.